You're about to see how a small, empty home becomes a fully planned space. Choosing furniture and layout isn't always easy, so every decision matters. At Design Burst, we don't just throw random ideas, you get a real plan that fits you. So, you want to have good interior design? Visit our website or email us today and let's design your dream home together. Start with the living area. The seating layout creates a clear focal point. Next, the dining area. The table placement keeps the flow uninterrupted. Finally, the kitchen. The storage and layout keep everything organized and efficient. The difference comes from better layout, right-sized furniture, and organized storage. So instead of guessing what to place and where, start with a clear plan, because that's what makes a space work better every day. And if you need help with your own space, you can visit our website at www.designburst24.com and reach out to us via email or WhatsApp.